Light bridge.
Yeah. Okay, so you add 3 liters of potassium hydroxide inside the gas liquid separator. So you can open the gas liquid separator and add 3 liters of potassium hydroxide. Then after that, you get a water tank or a container and add distilled water. Type 1 distilled water. Then make sure that the tube is inside the container. Then after you do that, then you simply go to the touch panel. So this is the main touch panel. You just go to the manual and press water pump out, WPO. When you press that, the system automatically starts cycling the water inside. Then when this button turns black, or like this white display becomes black, then you turn off the water out pump. Then after that you return and then run the system.
Light bridge.